Sorry for the background noise. You guys probably know that I haven't filmed a video in a very long time. So I decided to, as a special, to do a 5-car unboxing video. This is unscripted, so I'm probably going to say less about all of the cars. The first car I'm going to be opening is, High Roller. Well, let's just get cracking. Well, I like the green color, and it does have the number 14 on its side. You can actually see seats and steering wheel through the top roof. The wheels are pinwheels. Like, the axles on these wheels are mostly plastic. And you can also see an engine. Also, we like the wheel design. Well, I also like these white things. Can't really think of anything else. It has these holes in the side for some reason. Don't really know why. Well, anyways, I apologize for the background noise and about all I can say about this car. I do like the grill though. Okay. If that's all I can say about this car, might as well move on to the next one. Oof. So, okay, the next one's Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect. Okay. Well, let's get cracking. So, this thing says P-Pop and Sons, Cold Sea, Pest Control Co. Okay then, it seems like this van has a spoiler. I like the orange color of the wheels and the dark blue color. There's this really weird mascot on the front. Yeah, he's weird. I also like the back details. Oh, and it's got a pretty big interior. Yeah. What more can I say about this? It kind of looks like it has a spoiler. Yeah, not that much. Yeet! Okay, next one. Turbo Rooster. This car actually looks pretty cool. I'm literally gonna tear it to shreds. Okay. Like I said, this car seriously looks cool. It's got these two large black wings, and then this gigantic spoiler. It's honestly really sick. Nice. You can see the engine, and I like the wheel design and the wheel color. It's got this metallic windshield, and I have literally no idea what this is. I like the red and white detail. This car just looks really sick and futuristic. I do appreciate that you can literally do backflips with it. But yeah, what more can I say? It really does look cool. Okay, yeah, probably should get, yeah. Oh yeah, I've utterly forgot to say what years these cars are introduced in. I did one right off my reviewing table, and the other one's like significantly far away. This one was introduced in 2016. This was introduced in 2019, and the other one, I'm literally gonna have to go around my entire table to get it. And this one was introduced in 2015. Time to get cracking on the other one. Toaster, roller toaster. Now, this is quite interesting. It's a moving toaster that's purple. Even before I unbox it, I can say that I really like that wire and the bread. On the back of the packaging, it shows this, which I think means if I pull this down, this should go up. I also like the wheel color. Anyways, let's get ripping. And does it work? I was not expecting it to go down. I thought if I press this down, it would go up. Okay. Kind of disappointing, but yeah. It's got like this weird toaster mascot on the front. Really weird. It's also got an exhaust pipe, and I also noticed another thing I forgot to say. Whether it's metal or plastic. I didn't realize I'd forget that much in an unscripted video. So yeah, I like the color of the windshield, but even though it's kind of see-through, you actually can't see an interior at all. Yeah, there's no way to lock it down. I do like them. If you look at it from an angle, it's actually this part's metallic brown, which I do like. Yeah, it's pretty much almost made of plastic, with the only thing metal being the bottom. This color is pretty much the same as that. This one's pretty much all metal, and this thing is like plastic on the top, metal on the bottom. Okay, what more can I say about this car? I like the headlights, and yeah, not really much. Okay, in that case, we're on to the last car. Are we there yet? Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna get Taylor. Yeah, it's gone. Oh. I literally thought this was a wheel. It's literally just painted on. Bleh. Well, it does have two real wheels. You can see it there actually isn't an interior for the first bit. That's kind of weird, and the other bit doesn't have an interior. The first bit's it was introduced in, 2019, and that toaster thing on a jigger was introduced in 2016. So yeah, there's a tire at the back of this thing, and it's got two headlights at the front. Honestly, kind of disappointing. Honestly, can't really think of anything other than, yeah, it's got the Hot Wheels logo on the side, and it's a surfing. This is a Surlin Solari. I'm pretty sure well, it looks like it's a Surlin Solari on the side, which is very weird. And that Surlin Solari thing is written on wood. So yeah. I am kind of shocked that they actually applied painted wheels. That's kind of weird. There's this weird, like, thing on the side. Please focus. Yeah. Not really that much more to say. Well, that is the last car I had. Don't have any more, and if you look at this from the top, it kind of does have an interior. This one would have an interior, but if you look through the windows, you see nothing but a rivet going straight down. That's kind of odd. Jeez. I didn't realize I get that much garbage from an unboxing video this small. So yeah, basically all five of the cars I unboxed. Don't really know why they're lined up like this. They just are. So yeah, roller toaster, which actually says roller toaster, not was on the side. High roller, which is kind of glowy. I actually like to see what this car looks like in the dark. Is it glow in the dark? I mean, I have a few other glow-in-the-dark cars, and most of them have wheels that look this exact color. Probably will glow in the dark. There's Tilf and Rooster, which just looks sick. And then there's the pipe fixing train. Then there's the truck with a spoiler. Why? Spin. And then we have the RV with painted wheel. The fake wheel almost touches the ground. Yeah. I don't really have that much more to say about any of these. Other than, well, I really wish that the buns would go up if you the buns would go up like I'm pulling them if you press this down. So if some of it was off camera, I wasn't really looking at my recording device that much. So anyways, yeah, bye for now, and I'm gonna not tomorrow, but the day after, I'm gonna come out with another review.